Hey y'all, now your girl I Sharifia all in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today we have green pepper sauce. Everything green, but you're going to love it. Now, for our ingredients we have Poblano Peppers, Jalapeño, Serrano, some Scotch bonnet for heat, our SHITO peppers, some sweet pepper, garlic, ginger, cilantro, basil leaves. We have some fish, shrimp powder. For our seasoning, we have black pepper, crushed allspice, salt, and cube seasoning. Now here, I took all the stems off the peppers. I did not deseed them. Cut my onions into 4 pieces. Skinned my ginger and cut it into pieces. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Just like so. Now don't be alarmed by the burns on the peppers. Trust me, they are going to add a wonderful flavor and a very pleasant aroma to your sauce. Now, I did not put my cilantro and basil in the oven because I want that earthy green, leafy taste at the end. I'm just prepping my peppers to blend. As my peppers blend, I'm going to go ahead, debone my fish, cut it into small pieces, and get ready to fry. Now make sure you cut it into really small pieces because you want every time you scoop your sauce to be able to get at least 1 or 2 bites of fishes in there. Growing up, I loved it when my mom made this sauce because when I came home from school, I can have this with some bread or just put some white rice on and have this with it. She made it with fish or sometimes even beef, and it was just delicious. Now, while your fish is frying, you have to constantly move it around because you don't want it to be hard on one side and soft on the other side. And this is just what we are looking for. It looks golden brown but dried out. And the key is to keep moving the fish around in the oil. With the same flavor-packed oil, I'm going to add my blended peppers. Now, I did not add any water to my peppers. I just added a little oil to make it easier for me to blend. Now you have to keep stirring. Lower the heat. Low to medium heat is just perfect. You can tell our sauce is reducing by the rings around the pot. So you know you are getting close to the finish line. green pepper sauce is almost done. It's drying out beautifully. Be very generous with the oil because the more oil you have, the better it fries. Once you're done, you can always skim the oil off. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my spices, my black pepper, all spiced, crushed, salt, and cube seasoning. I'm going to add my shrimp powder. In goes my fried fish bits. Now once you see that foam on top of the sauce, you know your sauce is done. So just lower your heat and just let it simmer at this point. Now storage. You need to store your sauce in a very airtight container. Scoop your sauce with a clean, dry spoon to prevent from going bad. You can keep it on the counter or put it in the fridge, whichever one you choose. It can last you about 3 to 6 months. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop la. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tap that bell for all notifications.